Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we're diving into a significant development in the world of accounting software. Indomitus Group has just announced the release of indiAccounting for Windows 10 and 11, a one-time purchase accounting and payroll application that promises to revolutionize how small businesses manage their finances. Stay tuned as we explore the details of this innovative product and its potential impact on the market. Indomitus Group today announced that indiAccounting, its full-featured desktop accounting and payroll application, is now available for Windows 10 and 11. The release brings the company's one-time purchase, privacy-first model to the desktop platform where the majority of small businesses run their books, and where subscription accounting software has long been the default. indiAccounting, which launched earlier for Linux, is a complete double-entry accounting system with optional full payroll for all 50 states. Unlike the subscription products that dominate the category, it is a one-time purchase that stores all data locally on the user's own computer with no monthly fees, no per-employee charges, and no cloud dependency. Most small businesses run on Windows, and for years that's meant renting your accounting software and your own financial data from a company that raises the price whenever it likes, said Matt Milano, founder of Indomitus Group. We built indiAccounting on the opposite principle. You buy it once, you own it, and your books live on your machine, not someone else's server. Bringing it to Windows puts that choice in front of the people who've had the fewest alternatives. Industry-leading cloud accounting platforms with payroll now commonly cost a small business in the range of $2,000 to $3,000 per year, every year and rising. Recent subscription price increases in the category have run as high as 25%. indiAccounting with payroll costs $548 once. It pays for itself in a matter of months. A complete system now signed for Windows. The Windows release is the same complete application as the Linux version, built in Rust and packaged as a native Windows installer that is code signed by Indomitus Group LLC, so Windows can verify its publisher. It is also available through the Microsoft Store. The application requires no account and runs entirely offline. indiAccounting delivers a double-entry bookkeeping with a full general ledger and audit trail. Unlimited companies with fully isolated books. Invoicing, estimates, and recurring billing. Accounts receivable and payable. Bank and credit card reconciliation via CSV, QFX, and OFX, or a direct simple fin connection. Inventory, time, mileage, and project tracking. Receipt capture with optical character recognition. Sales tax management. Multi-currency support, and a full suite of financial reports. The optional indiPayroll add-on handles federal withholding following Internal Revenue Service publication, 15T, plus Federal Insurance Contributions Act, Federal Unemployment Tax Act, and State Unemployment Tax Act, and tax calculation for all 50 states and the District of Columbia. It generates W-2s, quarterly 941s, annual 940s, and 1099 NEC forms, posts every pay run to the general ledger, and covers retirement plans, pre-tax benefits, multi-state employees, S-corporation shareholder health insurance, prevailing wage, and certified payroll for government contractors. One license every business you run, indiAccounting includes full multi-company support at no additional cost. A single license covers an unlimited number of companies, each with completely isolated books, separate ledgers, customers, vendors, and payroll. Users switch between companies directly from the sidebar and manage them from a single settings panel. The contrast with subscription accounting software is direct. With industry-leading accounting platforms, each company a business creates requires its own separate paid subscription. A contractor with a side business, an owner running 2 limited liability companies, or a bookkeeper handling several small clients pays that cost again for every set of books. With indiAccounting, they pay once. If you run 2 businesses, you shouldn't have to buy your accounting software twice, said Milano. Multi-company support isn't an enterprise upsell. It's how the software should have worked all along. Privacy by architecture, indiAccounting stores all financial data locally with no telemetry and no tracking. Sensitive fields can be protected with optional advanced encryption, standard 256-bit Galloway/counter mode encryption for stored connection and payment credentials, email, bank, and processor keys, an app-level personal identification number lock, and integrity-verified local backups. Privacy policies can change, architecture doesn't, said Milano. Because your data never leaves your computer unless, yes, you move it yourself, trusting us isn't a requirement of using the software. Pricing and availability. indiAccounting is available now for Windows 10 and 11 on the Microsoft Store or as a direct download from www.indomitusgroup.com, and for Linux via FlatHub and direct download with a 30-day free trial including full-feature access. indiAccounting, $249, one-time purchase, Payroll add-on, 1 to 10 employees, $299 one-time, $548 total with base. Payroll growth is 11 to 50 employees, $499 one-time, $748 total with base. Payroll growth, 51 to 100 employees, $799 one-time, $1,048 total with base. Annual tax table updates optional, $99 per year. For businesses migrating from another platform, indiAccounting ships with migration importers for major accounting and bookkeeping platforms, bringing customers, vendors, items, accounts, invoices, and bills across with duplicate detection. About Indomitus Group. Indomitus Group LLC is a Georgetown, Kentucky-based software company building privacy-first, one-time purchase desktop applications. Its IndiSuite product line includes indiPDF, the one-time purchase PDF editor, and indiAccounting, both available for Linux and Windows, along with indiBudget, a free and open-source personal finance application for Linux. The company's founding principle is simple: software you buy should be software you own.